We're still planning to run till at least 11 or something, so should get a decent bit of progress done today, hopefully, as long as we don't hit any major milestones, roadblocks, should I say. So yeah, let's jump in, let's see what we've got. So here we go. Trello, a lot on here. There's a lot. I'm not expecting to get through all this in progress stuff, but this is what I've got planned and the order I'm going to try and get through it today. So first one, yeah, the touch input's broken, which is a bit of a bummer. Yeah, on the app it no longer works, which is annoying. So we're gonna have a go at fixing that up. I'm just gonna turn my music up. Here we go. So yeah, let's jump in. I've been trying to think of like names for the game as well, so I don't have to keep calling it the cooking game because it's stupid. Also, I want to look at doing the main menu screen soon and like doing a background for it, so having a name would make that a load easier. Alright, so what have we got? Got the Unity remote set up. Where is it? It's not in here, is it? It's in the other things. Preferences. Where was it? Where's the Unity remote thing? Okay, not here. I can't remember where it was now. What would it be? Player? No. Don't know where it is, but I think it works anyway. Oh, editor? Ah, okay. Unity remote. Yeah, that should work. Right, so let's just quickly give this a go. See if it works. Yeah, here we go. So we're in this. So this is one thing I don't know is does the input from the Unity remote count as touch inputs or is it mouse inputs? Like, is it how much is it emulating? I'm not really sure at the moment. So what I'm hoping to see. Right, so it's not even working. Won't even accept any input at all. Oh. Wow. Okay, that's broken. What did it say? No reference to say. I'm going to reference to set. Turn in server. Line 72. There's a yeah. Yeah, that doesn't exist anymore. Where do we get screen position from? So the question is does this run at all? Is that why it's doing that? Nope. Okay, so that would explain it. So I've just... None of this is being run now, right? So that means input controller. Yeah, so I moved this. Blade touch on the Ginkgo is touched up position. Right, let's sort this out. Doesn't actually tell you much about it, does it? And then it's called blade.beginCode, which is where we're having the issues, right? But then going into here, in which let's try that one again. Five and 14. Must be the rigid body 2D. Did I destroy it after blade? No, there's still one. How do I get access to it? I don't. Would be the answer to that. And I'll start. Right, so this could be it, right? The touch is breaking. So on. Yeah, it's never been called. Okay, right. Start isn't being called because I assume that only gets called once you're enabled. So we take this and put it in awake. We should now have it where it cool. Blade input doesn't work though. We are getting touch input though. Because we're getting this here, which was my logging in. Right, get rid of that. That's cool. So have it sorted. Blade. So we're getting begin cut, position, sets cutting equal to true. Fixed state update is no longer being called. So it's not 0 that we want. Where are we setting blade touch? Cook touch. So this is going to be the new. Do I never set it back to nothing? Doesn't seem so, does it? So we call cook touch handler. So that should always get the first touch. Blade touch handler. And then after that, where's the updating cut for? That was too much. Too much that. Clear. Let's go again. We go again. Blade touch 0. See, blade touch ended up being 0 there. But I don't want the touch input to be active yet, really. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. I don't know where I went wrong with this. Don't know when this happened. Let's give this one a whirl. I've had a fallout of bugs from when I changed the menus from overlay to screen space. Oopsie, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Cool. I seem to have fixed that. Alright. I think I'm happy with that. Before I do though, let's... I don't want to count that as a touch. Okay, it does work as I... Oh, no it doesn't. Do that again. So if you switch touch handlers... Yeah, something dodgy there. I guess it never calls begin cut. Guess that would fix that. Let's see what this does. Updates the position, sets cut into true, instantiates the. Yeah, I think this might fix that. So now we've got that, that's working. Put second touch down and use that touch now, and yeah, that works correctly. What about if I put, does it work correctly? Yeah, okay, that. Alright, sweet, that's perfect. I think that's fixed it. My last nightmare is this. So this is now going to break it. Log. Where's the input controller? Get rid of that. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it does that funkiness when we're in. Weird. Okay, I'm fine with that though. I still. I think I should be using the other input, and I think that would make the difference. Get rid of that, we no longer use it. I quite like that there actually. There's something with the Unity input manager. Oh. No, that's not what I want. Average of all the positions. Yep. Yep. Touch and input. It's not what I want to know. Aha! Awesome. Oh my days, this is going to be awesome. Okay. where do I put this? Input controller. Awake. Has it got an awake method? Oh, they should fix it. This is exactly what I was looking for. No, it doesn't work. Sure you do. Simulate mouse with touches. Still doing that old thing. Did I save it? Is that why? Maybe I have to do this earlier. Where would I need to do that? Either of these should do. Name says the mouse when we touch it by total the upstairs name. Right button click. It's not. I should do that, shouldn't I? Indicates if a mouse device on Windows, Android, or Android. Okay. Oh, that might do it. That might do it. Let's try that. Let's try that. So this didn't work. Let's just get rid of it for now because it didn't work. The blade. Wait, where is it? It's in level controller, isn't it? No, where is it? Keycode.space. Get rid of this then. Oops, I need that update in there as well because I update separately. I will move all this to the input controller class anyway at some point, but for right now this seems to work. Nope. Curious about whether input dot mouse present is true. Stop that. Let's just undo that bit. Yeah, I don't have a solution to this at the moment. But anywho, that's fine. I'm happy with what I've got, I think. GameDev. Render mode. What's this for? Some canvas. Everybody 2D. That fixed that bit. Removed it from start. In fact, I can remove start now. What class are we in here? Blade. Cool. So this. To be honest, I don't really need the rigid body anymore, I don't think. But it's fine for now. Okay, let's carry on. Oh, sugar. Oh, there we go. What did there? Oh dear. So change the random mode of that, remove the start method, remove the fixed update, and fix the touch input. That's the other one. I think I can fix two things in one go here actually. Let's just double check this again. I think I can currently... Yeah, I can start the level without clicking start, which is super annoying. This didn't happen before because the menu here, game menu, had screen space overlay, which now it does not. And so instead, where do we, input manager, what does he do? I forget now. Input controller. Search input update. Keep it on mouse. Input update. Wait for start game end game. So it has to be enabled. This does not register for any events for the game. But this actually let's give that one a whirl. So, oh, failed at the first hurdle. All I had to do was click anywhere else. Will not work. It's not doing any of that stuff. That's flashing, and then I can go, which no I can't because it's not doing that. Okay, weird. That was very strange. Yeah, no, it's this whole thing actually, isn't it? Take that out of there. think I have an easy way to fix this actually, right? Where's the input thing? Edit, project settings, fire 1. Why is there 2 lots of fire 1? Don't get how this works. Input that mouse button 0. Is that what I use in Blade? Cool. Let's try fire 1. Let's try that one. If input dot get. Can you use the same thing? Get. Just want to see, is it just get button? Yep, get button. Get button down, I want button. Oh. It's called, oh nice, fire 1. This shouldn't work for, it's the update that goes wrong though, isn't it? What's it called in here? Axes, horizontal. Let's do another Google. Get axis. Vertical, horizontal. Right, so I can use mouse X. Let's have a look at this. Horizontal. Type, mouse movement, what's horizontal? So I'm having issues. How are you doing, by the way? It's good to see you again. So I'm using this Unity remote thing, and when I do that, because my game uses multiple touches, so when I just hold here, if I'm literally at the very, very top of the screen. It takes the average of the 2 positions when I'm using input.mouse position, which is annoying. and I can't seem to get around it because so I've been using if Unity editor, which isn't working. I managed to get this I think should work now. I was previously using get mouse button up and down, but it's this mouse position is the average of all the touch input, and with Unity Remote it works fine. This in the like if when I actually build it and put it on the phone, but using Unity Remote, it's technically still in the editor. It's technically still on the Windows platform. It doesn't detect that it's actually running on the remote, and I couldn't find anything to do with the remote Unity Remote thing. So yeah, I can't figure out a way to make it not use an average of the touch positions, or even use a touch position at all. I don't want this to run at all when I'm in Unity Remote. Like this whole code, if I just comment it out, is fine. Yeah, the build works fine because then it's no longer in the editor and this doesn't run. So on mobile it works then. But the other platform specific defs defines, like if I use even if I use Unity Android here and basically say if it's not Unity Android do this, that would work as well. So that would work when I build and run it on the phone, but it doesn't work when I'm using the Unity Remote because technically it still thinks the platform is Windows, but it's just like downscaling it for a phone. But it handles the touch input properly. Like if I comment this out, this will now work using Unity Remote, or it should do. So if I do this, that's fine. Like I can go up here. So I've got like two lots of input going on when I'm using the remote, the Unity Remote thing. I could just have a variable that I toggle on and off when I know I'm using Unity Remote. I'm probably spending way too much time on this issue, to be fair. But I saw, what did I see? Where is it? Simulate mouse with touches. Enables disable mouse simulation with touches. But when I put this to false, it didn't do anything. Oh, so this is for like, yeah, doing this stuff. Simulating the mouse button clicks with touches, rather than using the mouse position as an average of all the touches. Anyway, it's not a big issue. It's just when I'm using this Unity Remote, I have to keep remembering to go in and edit that stuff out, which is a bit annoying. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to take this code here and put it in the input controller because it doesn't make any sense. Take this blade. How come? Right, let's have a quick look. Okay. This may be working. now. Upgrades that were supposed to cancel at the end of a run didn't cancel. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, I've got something with this, to be fair, like my score there. If I go to the main menu, and I go to level 2. Oh no, it does reset. But I had it where it wasn't resetting properly. And basically my score would just accumulate on every single level, which isn't what I wanted. So yeah, how come you have to rewrite so much? Okay, I think. So it is still doing it. Ah, no, it's not. Okay, I may have fixed my problem. I'm not sure entirely how I did it, but it is now working. Cool. Still getting mouse button up and downs here. Oh, obviously. Maybe it's just that. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking at the moment. I think I'll just leave it as it is. The only thing is, alright, let me unplug the remote thing and let's see if this works when I use the actual mouse. Okay, yeah, super happy with this then. That is, man. Awesome. Get rid of those logs. Okay, cool. Yeah, ship it. That's what we say at work. Whenever something's even marginally working, ship it. Now all of my input is in one class as well, which is super awesome. Okay. I haven't actually tried it on mobile. Yeah, no, it should work. It should be the same as with the unit remote because it does actually do the touch input. Also fixed. Bit wordy. Better to be more descriptive than not descriptive enough, I always find. So I'm all good with that. Alright, sweet. So let's see what we fixed there. Yep, that is now not broken. Click on the table to start the game, and that is now fixed as well. So all the bugs are out of the way. We can get on to the fun stuff. Right, okay, so slice functionality visuals. Maybe some particles. Yeah, so I wanted to jazz up this slice functionality a little bit with a particle system. So blade. Particle system. Rename. We'll call this don't know. Sparkle? No, what do I want it to do? No, I'll just leave it as particle system, in fact. Yeah, that'll do. And what do we want to do with it? Can you increase the size of the text in the editor? Go. It's not possible. Decent. Blah blah blah. Let's do the past year. 3 days ago. Okay, so no. Oh, that looks cool. That's very cool. Nice. Oh, anywho, okay, so that's annoying. We can't change that, but let's just go on. Park systems. So looping, no. Yeah, we can do want it to loop actually. Oh, what happened to my? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I kind of like that. What do we want to do? Emission. Or 60. 160, no, 60. I want it to be fast. Right, this needs to be start delay, nothing. Start speed. The number of parts made per distance unit. Bursts. Nah, I don't want that. Limit velocity. No. Trails. Yeah, I do want trails. needs a material, I can imagine this, does it? Assign a trail material in the render module. Renderer. Default. Wow. Split submitters. Don't know what that does. Width. A width for the trail from its start to end vertex. I want to change the. Let me change the emission shape. Gravity modifier. Okay. Shape. Cone. Hemisphere. Nope. Donut. No. Radius. Oh no, that's one. I do want a cone actually. It is a cone that I want. But arc, radius. I want to rotate it on the y-axis by 90 degrees. -A.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached, and that's okay.
Okay. Where's my trail? Trail. I don't want that trail. Curve. Okay. Change that. Start. How do I turn off that horrible park system gizmo? cone. Let's just see what it looks like in the game. Bloody awful. Okay. What's it saying? Oh, it doesn't like that, whatever it was. Try that again. Okay. Oh, okay, where's that thing? Shape. Emit. Volume. Base. I don't like the trail, I think. Let's try it without the trail. Simulation space. Okay. Okay. Could have a trail. Do like to have a trail. Inherit velocity, yes. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with park systems for now. I don't like them. I'll go back to that when I've done a bit more of a tutorial on how to do them. Which is a shame because I think that's one of my next tasks anyway. Right, let's just pop that to the bottom. Add a star indicator to the level select screen. Yeah, so currently, let's open level select. There's no way to know off this how well you've already done with the save game stuff. So I think what we'll do is do that. Background, level select button. And what we'll do, we'll use that star. Visuals like the, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do at some point, but I've been kind of holding off on doing too much artwork because I've got a potentially got I shouldn't say I've got potentially a drawing tablet coming for my birthday in like on the 18th. When's that? About 2 weeks. So I've kind of been putting off a lot of the artwork stuff till then to try and, because I want to use that a lot, getting used to it and whatnot. Oops. What's that? Star one. Try to make the split follow path to the slide, or just have it split in half and fold. So I don't know. I actually saw a really good package. In fact, let me see if I can find it. I think it was this one for $8.93, and I thought this is actually really quite good. It does a lot of what I want to do. So let's just, and it's basically like, let's just play this. You can take any sprite and just split it. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah. Okay. So that's all kind of physically modelled.
Come on, let's show the example.
Manager. It's like this,
Come on, I don't want to see. Just want to see the outcome. So you can actually just split game objects, the sprites of the game objects, into multiple pieces. There was a better example later on. This one. Oh no, this is showing off the explosion stuff. Yeah, it's quite useful, but look how many game objects are created.
Yeah, that's it really.
I don't know how efficient it's going to be. Also the look, although it does split them,
the game view here, if you have a look
like
at the scene view,
it literally just splits the asset. Whereas I would kind of want to like show the insides of the tomatoes or the ingredients or whatnot. So I don't know. I'll see how I go. It might be easier just to do it the other way and use this. It is really cool how it does it.
So every time this red line intersects stuff,
and you can probably apply some force as well, a bit like that explosion does, you know. So if I'm swiping,
you can slice anything.
Where's my? Oh, I can't do it right now. But if I'm slicing, then it would make the thing go slightly in that direction, like you would in real life. I don't know. We'll see. Color. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, fade out the original one and spawn 2 or 3 like half slices or something that shows the inside of the tomato, something like that. All right, sweet. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we've got these level select button. Yeah, me too. We'll see, we'll have to see. How you doing, Frost and Fire? You okay? I'll do a quick demo of the game that we're currently at. Show you what we've been doing. So it's kind of like a Fruit Ninja-esque game, but with like a color matching element. So you've got a let's start from a scene that actually works. You'll have to forgive the artwork here. So we've got level 1, so you got to get to this color in here. So when you start, you can slice all these vegetables, and then when you see the color that you thought you saw, you let go. And that's it, essentially. I just giving a quick demo of the game. So you gotta like slice up the ingredients and then try and match the color as well with the beginning of the game. I'll do another one here. So you gotta get this green color here, starting from purple, and it'll slowly go through the different colors until eventually you get to the color that you think it is. So yeah, that's it. It's my first game, so it's taken me quite a while, and I'm learning quite a bit. So, anywho, what was I working on then? Level select. So I'm currently just adding these here, ready for when I do my level saving and loading. So I want to save the data once you've completed the level, and then here it'll show whether you've got 1, 2, or 3 stars. Not quite happy with that though, because I think it's a star 3. I think it'll look nice up like that. I'm gonna scale them up. That looks nice. Can you serialize dragon arrays? No idea. I assume so. I don't know how I'm going to do this, to be fair. I could store like an array called array of levels, or I could store each level data in a separate file. Don't know what's going to be more efficient. It depends how much data is going to end up going in, I suppose. Number of levels 3. Yeah, I don't see why you couldn't. You can serialize basic data types, so any arrays should work. It'll just be serialized as long as you've got the input and output like serializers to take the input and output of a class or a structure or whatever. In fact, I want to work on that in a second. In fact, now, because that is done. So we've got star 1, 2, and 3. I think the levels currently have star scores here. So there's the scores you have to get for each of the. I don't know where this is used. Oh, I think I've always got 50, 75, and 100 for this currently. So right, let's move on to doing that. I think let's have a look at what was it? Add star indicator to the level select screen. I think we can say that's done. I'll just add that. Cool, what if I change there in the blade? Component. I removed the circle collider from the blade. That's the point, I keep forgetting to save the whole project. Okay. So there we go. Diff. Remove that collider. Remove that from some mono behavior. I don't remember changing any of this stuff. The only thing is, like, if you don't save the project and you don't open particular scenes and then save them, it's like it doesn't pick up them until much later. Oh, I'm not going through all that. There wasn't any, was there? Alright. Cool. Right, let's call that done. Level save data and create saves. Okay, here we go. So how are we going to do this? So each level is going to have to save some data. Let's do from the editor here. Create new. And what's it going to go on? Load, save, manager. Cool. Or save load manager would have worked. Let's have a look. System.runtime serialization format as binary. It's alright. So we get rid of these. Public static class. Doesn't even need to be a mono behavior, I don't think. It might actually to be able to access it everywhere. We'll see. Load save manager. Yeah. Save. Level. Or should I just call it save for now? If we and we'll pass in. No, let's do save level. Level there. So this level data is also a public static class. I think you have to make this serializable. Level data. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I don't want to. I don't really want to use this. Duplicate. What I want to do is take some of this stuff. Let's take take all of it first. Oh, it already has all of it. So level name we'll have, because we'll use that to determine the level that we're working on. We don't need any of this. Score. Just call it score. I think that's it, you know, that's the only thing. Okay. Score. Okay, yeah, that should be fine. So take this. Let's image current level data. Binary formatter. Binary format. Kind of just doing this off a tutorial I've seen, so I may. What's it complaining about here? Formatter. We need a stream as well. File. I don't know this bit. I might have to go watch the tutorial again. We need to do file operations. Let's go and have a look. I think it was a bracket tutorial that was quite good.
So you've made a game and everything. These more advanced data views. The stream of data.
Here we go. There we go.
And if it
stop.
similar to what we did.
Stop there. Format, new format. So we have to get the path. Oh, it's file stream. That's what I was missing. File stream. Yeah. And then you do format.serialize, stream.close. Then you do path, application. Oh, you need system.io as well. I guess that's why I wasn't using the. I wasn't finding the file stream. Take one of these. File stream. File stream.open, was it? Wow. Oh, new file stream with the path in the create mode. Oh, 2 seconds, guys. Someone's just come in.
It up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this line for now.
2 secs. Hey, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. The missus came home, and she was being rather noisy. So where were we? Application dot persistent data path. Oh, that'll be why we need Unity Engine for this one. Okay. Equals new file stream. You're right, babe. Wait.
Hey!
You okay?
Hey guys! It's my YouTube channel.
string path equals dot persistent data path. And what we're going to call this is basically data dot level name. Yeah. Why doesn't it like that? Can't be accessed with an instance reference. Qualify it with the type name instead. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. But it's static. Should we have that as static as well? Yeah, we don't need to pass this in, do we? Equals new file stream path. Create mode, file mode, dot create, open or create. Because you may want to overwrite the level. Okay. Serialize. Formatter. Can't type today. Serialize, and it takes a stream called stream for the object graph. Don't think we need that bit, do we? Yes, we do. I think we need to pass in this way. We don't need to store that every time. Is a type which is not valid in the given context. Let's see what he's done here. Data. And data is a new player data. Alright, yeah, so we won't have it as a current level data not be static, but serializable still. You can have some default data, I guess. Okay, and the score. Load save manager, and we'll use data. And then don't forget to close the stream. Is that it? Let's see what this compares to the other guys. So, oh, he had a slash here. Stream. He initialized his data there, but I'm passing mine straight in.
My God, that waveform.
I guess I could do it the same way as him actually. I could instead of having level data and couple current level data, I could have no, it's fine actually. Data set to 0. Oopsie, don't want me to do that. That'll do. I mean, I don't really need to create a whole class of this, but I will because, yeah, then we might end up adding more stuff in for this. So, right, level data, let's got all the other stuff in it. Current level data score. I should do number of stars, really. Would that work? Yeah, I'll do this because although you could work out the number of stars, it's just unnecessary calculations. And if you wanted to, at some point, make a level harder, if you got both of these you could then recalculate if they've still already completed it. So say like one level, all of a sudden everyone's passing it, it's far too easy, and you think, well, I'll bump the score numbers. You could patch it so that you take whatever the score is in the current level, like the save data, and recalculate the number of stars. So if they've still got high enough, they've still got 3 stars. If they've not quite, then it'll drop to 2. So it's nice to have both. I mean, we could just not have that and calculate all the time, but it's good as like a caching mechanism. You don't have to do a recalculation against this, against the level data every single time to figure out if you've done it. Anywho, current level data, public class serializable, load save manager takes the current level data. Let's do a load function. Load level. And it will return. Dot open. If stream not equal to null. That's the only thing with this one, it could be null. Deserialize, is that thing? Deserialize. Current level data equals that. You only need to close it if you think you did. If you've opened it, open it. That's the path we're looking for. Yeah, very similar. Low level. Oops. Turn all there. Turn data. Or data, as the Americans say. Object current level data. Do you just cast it like that? Alright, can you do that? Yeah, he's happy with that. Let's compare it to the other guys, because he's obviously... Oh, okay, file that exists, he's done it that way. I need to know the syntax really for... Oh, as played it? Is that how you do it? Is that the C-sharpy way of doing things? Streams, I need to file stream. Path. Oh no, so I think that is the right way. The constructor will always pass, so I shouldn't be relying on that returning null because it never will, because I'm calling new. So I think I do need to do the file exists approach. Exists path. Instead of this. Log error. Debug.log error, that was it. Debug.log error. Level save file does not exist. And that's the other thing as well, actually, I kind of want to put I need to do not gonna bother with the yeah. will. I don't know how I check to see where the persistent data path is for Unity. Windows. See where it is. User profile, update, local package, product name, local state. Wow, it's a bit wordy. Alright, let's see if we can hook this up now, right? So we've got this load save manager, which is a static class. And we've got current level data, which is just a class. So on level controller, no, score, text canvas. Yeah, let's just do it here because I know this is the. No, not here. Where's the score calculated? Which one's the score text canvas? Not there. End game menu. Ah, this is where it's done. And then at the end of this, it was in a folder called source in my Windows. Oh, was it? Okay. Oh, I'll have a look as soon as I've kicked it off. Oh, wait, was you using prefs? Was you saying? Or did you still use, do you still have to use persistent path for that? I really have no idea. um, was score a string or an int? Okay. Oh, okay, cool. As you can tell me where I'm going wrong then when this doesn't work. Right, let's just go with save for now. I think that's the easiest one. Okay, save load. Load save manager dot. Save level. Right, so that should do it. Let's see if we've completely broken everything. We'll see. Oh, the only thing is, if I do it this way, let's go from the level select stream. Level 1. Okay, save it. Let's see how many stars we get here. I may have to jump off again and get shouted from downstairs. 2 stars. Menu. Stop that. In source, you said. Sorry, 2 seconds, guys. I'm being called upon to be a ferry. I'm gonna have to go take the missus in the car somewhere in about 10-15 minutes. So let's see if we can get this working. So you said it was in the source. Work fast, yeah. The best program is always done under pressure, I found. Not. I may as well stop now. Okay, let's go off what the Unity thing said. User profile, update, local packages, product name. This PC. User profile, app data. Why can't I see it? Just search for it. Be faster. Maybe it wouldn't. It's not working. Get current. I don't know where any of this stuff is. Users. Local. Packages. Oh no, I don't have packages. Oh, come on. Where is it? What did I call it? It'll be called level 1. Yep, can't find it. Product name. I doing that? Oh, you have to actually build it. Okay, let's try that then. Oh, that's the other thing as well, is okay. But that mentions it here that I've not. This might be the one. Oh, debug log. Yeah, that's a very good idea. Why didn't I just do that? That makes way more sense. Oh. Come on. See, already I'm trying to code fast, and I'm making mistakes. I can feel it. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Okay, it never called it. Did it not? Save level. Deep, deep breaths. I need them. Are we getting here? Yes, it is there. See users. So that is where I was looking. I'm sure of it. This PC. See users, Jordan. Have I got it where it doesn't show? Oh, it wasn't in alphabetical order. See, going fast, it does not work. Just don't go fast. Slow. Update local low. Local low. BonserDev, cooking game. Level 1, there it is. because it is either binary or using unsupported text encoding. Yes, it is. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. I couldn't find app data. It was not... It was like halfway down rather than being at the top. Oh, it's because they all start with a dot. I was just being an idiot. Okay, so that works. So now what we need to do is level select screen. Public image. Star 1. Star 2, star and 3. Oops. Star 2. Star 3. A lot of ifs for this. It's like if it's star 1, if it's this, if it's that. Oh no, I've got no stars actually. Yeah. Load level data. Yeah, I could do it here. Load. If not equal to no, then we do what am I doing here? See, going fast and it's not working. More than 0. Yeah, more than 0. Then star 1 dot color white. More than 0, more than 1, more than 2. Star 2 and star 3, and this one needs to be more than 2. I could probably make this a little bit more elegant. I don't really like this if checking more than this, that, and that. Color dot white. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Star 1, star 2, star 3. Let's see. Let's give that a go. Oh, still running. Nope, didn't work, did it? Level name. What was it? Login? Oh yeah, I was logging all the errors. And actually it shouldn't matter at this point. I don't want to log the error. Let's go try again. Okay. So we do have a save file, don't we? Local low, BonserDev, cooking game. So we have level 1 here. Yeah, we have a level 1. So level 1 should be doing some things. Color. Oh, I haven't hooked up the inspector. Classic one, the classic case. Go here. Have a select button. Image. 2, 3. I'm surprised I didn't complain more. not sure actually. Now has star image. Star one. We should find out, shouldn't we? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's a bit strange that it's not even mentioning it. End game menu, level select button, start. But it was trying to load it because it failed on a hell of a load of them when I had that log error. Let me log it. If it's not equal to log. Oops. Name debug. Keep forget to do that. Used to Python. Stars 0. Oh, maybe I didn't get any stars, or it didn't save properly. That's the other thing. Yeah, so it is doing that bit right. Number of stars equals number of stars. Sorry, but yeah, it'll be 2 minutes. Oh, I might have to jump off earlier, guys. Stars plus plus. Cool. Let's play a quick level. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 stars. About to say start save 2. So that's good. Start this up. Oh, look at that. Hey! Alright, awesome. Oh, they are. Not sure about them. They look a bit weird actually. Maybe I should do it 1, 2, 3. See what it looks like when we do. We get a better score, which I probably won't on this one. Oh no. So we get that purple. Still only 2 stars, what? That's ruthless. Look how perfect that is. I need to sort out those score parameters. But that I'm pretty happy with that. Ah. Yeah, or I could just have 1 star and have bronze, silver and gold, I guess, as well as the other thing. Right, anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to get rid of those logs and then I'm going to call it. I'll probably be on later on. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. I don't actually want to log an error, I'm just going to return null and handle it myself. But I'm pretty impressed with that. That worked quite well. Save project. Open the other scene. Level scene. Save. Okay, cool. Yeah, especially under pressure. That actually went really well. I thought that was going to be a right nightmare. Quickly, just double check these. Star 1, star 2, star 3. Did some things with them. Probably need to sort out the anchors actually on those, but do that after. Stars. That could do with some tidying up. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Have I not saved everything? That's now serializable. What was it? That's not what I meant to do. Is this right? Data. That doesn't need to be serializable. Yeah. Unity UI, added the stars. Yeah. Okay, cool. Git commit. Level. Load and save. And I spelled that wrong. Oh, nearly did it again. Look, I'm going fast. This is what happens when you try and go fast. Alright, sweet. Right. Thanks for the help, Nick, man. That really, really helped. Right, I'm gonna jump off. I might be back on in a little while, maybe half an hour or so. Although I've done most of the stuff that I wanted to do today. I haven't done that bit. I haven't done that bit. I did do this though, which I'm pretty impressed with. All right, sweet. I'll see you all next time. Bye now.